Hey y'all, what is going on? We are cooking with
Delicia.
Gigi. We're gonna verse in the hot actually. Let me go ahead and do. I'm gonna do your with Didi and Uncle Mike in the house. Uncle Mike in the house. Uncle Mike in the house. Anywho, so what are we cooking today, Didi?
We are making mushroom and a mushroom egg roll wraps with our MYK, shiitake, and lion's mane mushrooms with lentils.
Lentils. Y'all hear that? Lentils.
And we are using our plant-based egg roll wraps.
Oh, fancy. Okay.
And a vegan butter.
And vegan butter. Okay,
Brand
so
is Country Crock.
it's a little hot, so we have to get on the stove real quick. Should have moved it over to this eye, huh? Anyway, so what we're doing is we've already kind of started. So we're gonna get your egg roll, put your meat in. So what I was doing was my niece already know how to make this, but I was showing her how I make my egg rolls. Okay. So I was showing her a simple way of doing it, and usually when I'm doing like fruit egg rolls, I get like a dab of water or the juice from the fruit. But we're going to use some vegan butter just to kind of add just a little flavor, okay? So you're going to melt it. You don't have to melt it for long because vegan butter is mostly going to be like oil based. And you're going to get it. And what I like doing is just glazing the sides just like this. Ain't that beautiful? Get your camera, honey. Malfunction. See?
Take two.
We gotta fire the production team. All right. Girl, get this camera. Okay, let the people see you. So, I'm gonna get a little oil there. Girl, you got it. Girl, get in the camera. You ain't gotta get with me. Okay. All right, there you go. Okay. Child, they just be wanting to be up under me, and I get it. It's me. I would want to be up under me too. Ain't it right?
Yes.
No. Okay. All right, girl. Whatever. Honey. Okay. Boom. All right. So once we do that to the sides, we're gonna bring it down here. What I like doing is now we're just gonna fold it in, okay? And you wanna do this before your egg roll gets too dry, because sometimes they can dry out. You're gonna roll it, and that way now, boom, you have to worry about, having it stick. So we're gonna make a few more, we'll come back. Y'all, so we're about to start frying them now.
Yes.
Oh. Please don't report this abuse. Alright? Please don't report this abuse. Please, no, she's well taken care of. Precious angel. Alright. Alright, so now that we have our egg rolls that I'm going to eat, we made 10 egg rolls. I'm taking home 5.
3.
5.
3. 5. All
right. So let's go and start frying. So I'm going because she's a child and children should not be around grease. Just look at it. Just so gracefully. I taught her. All right. So yeah, go ahead and place them in there. Let's go ahead and show the people. Yep, go ahead, get your chemo. Yep, see, look at that, you frying very pretty, very nicely. I'm showing her how to make them a nice golden brown color. Yeah, child,
I've been making
these kids don't know how to cook these days, so now you gotta teach these new millennials. All right, girl, that's enough now. All right, go ahead and start flipping them. Yep, you see that? Yeah, I've been making vegan egg rolls for over 20 years now.
Yes, sure.
And I had to come teach this baby.
He didn't even know the recipe. He didn't know the recipe. I had to send him the recipe, and he didn't know what mushroom to take. So he took some mushrooms and it went bad. So
I want y'all to see. This is what a child that likes to lie look like. Okay, I've been cooking these vegan egg rolls for over 35 years.
One day, not even one day, his mushrooms went bad the first day he was trying.
Oh, okay, girl, we gotta go. We gotta go. Now back to the recorded program here. I'll just look at that. Look at that. Okay. Now we want to go ahead and flip these here. All right, y'all. So we done now. She's making, what is this? Bang bang sauce. What is it?
Yes, the bang bang. Turn up vegans bang bang sauce.
Turn up vegans bang bang sauce. Turn up. You said turn up.
Yeah.
Turn up vegans bacon. Bang bang. Turn up. We might say turn up.
Turn up.
This is the book she used, y'all. That baby know how to read. I taught her so well. I do so good.
I'm
with
12 years old.
I do so good with you. See? That's what you did. The video stopped because why? Girl, don't let the enemy use you. See, not only do you got to teach the kids how to cook, you got to teach them about the word. Okay? In this world. But anyway, let's get to these egg rolls that I taught her how to cook. Damn. Straight from the Chinese restaurant. Like, let me flip it and give y'all a better view. Damn. Like, Chinese who? Me. Alright, you ready? 1, 2, 3. I do good, huh? Thank you. Thank you. So it's good. It's really good. Her like me. And I'm trying to get to well. Y'all see the inside. Y'all see the inside? It looks just like beef. Texture and everything is amazing. And with it being fried, and then alright, y'all. So thank you guys. That was the rest of our video. Thank you for coming with me and my daughter, and making our vegan egg rolls as a father and daughter situation because she doesn't have a mother. Thank you guys and enjoy your day. Sorry, that's the maid.
Not the maid.
But it's good. It's good. Y'all try this. Y'all try this. Follow me for more recipes.
Follow Earthy Eats and Treats for
Follow
more recipes.
Earthy Eats and Treats.
Follow me for more recipes. I just your channel.
This is.
Oh my gosh, okay.
You're this. She ain't put it. This is my channel. This is good.
Sorry.
This is good.